All right, what's up everybody? Today we're doing another POV video here on Charleston Car Videos. And the car we're doing a video of today is the 2001 Plymouth Prowler convertible in blue. Stay with us, we're gonna walk over to the Prowler and we're gonna go check it out, put this tag on the back, and see how she drives. Definitely a unique vehicle, only made for a few years. And as you can see, her sitting right over here next to a beautiful red Grand Sport Corvette. Now, Chrysler had a Chrysler version of it, and then Plymouth had theirs. Now, in reality, I'm pretty sure they're all the same company for the most part, right? But this is so cool. I'm so happy to be able to share this video with you today. And we just got done doing a video on our different camera setup a minute ago. So this is something a little bit different, but a little more in depth, taking it for a test drive and seeing what she's all about. So again, to try to be a little different on this video, I'm not going to get into all the specs and everything so much, but I will tell you a little bit about this car. I mean, we just purchased it yesterday, and we bought it up in, I think it was in Savannah, Georgia, or maybe it was, yeah, Savannah, Georgia. So, it's a local Southern vehicle at Southern Motor Company, but a Southern car. It's very clean. Mileage is pretty good on it. For a 2001, it has just around 40,000 miles on it. You got 20-inch wheels in chrome, 5 stars in the back, 17-inch wheels in the front. The convertible top on it is in really nice shape, as you can see. You know, anybody that's going to own a Prowler is usually going to keep it in the garage and really kind of baby the vehicle. And yeah, so that's kind of what you got here. I like the light blue pinstripe going down the side. It's got tinted windows, dual exhaust. It sounds good. It looks good. You know, it's a Prowler. Anyways, just a quick look at the front. Yeah, she's pretty. Very aggressive, and just something different, right? It's a Roadster. It's only 2-seater. And anyways, we're going to take it out on the street, see how she performs, see how she drives, and tell you the price and everything on it here today if you're interested in buying something like this from us. All right, so let's go ahead and get in. The door does not open up a whole lot. I talked about that earlier. So it just opens up to right there. My only other concern is with the roof here. I'm 6'1", so my main thing is I want y'all to be able to see the video okay while we're driving. I was hoping that all this isn't in the shot too much, but I'll do the best I can. And it's an automatic transmission. You got a tape deck. Tape deck, right? Yeah, so I mean, somebody really did their best to keep this as original as possible, and not even putting a aftermarket CD player in here with an auxiliary and Bluetooth and all of that. We're gonna go ahead and crank the car up because it is really hot inside of here. Even though it's the end of October, the weather is still warm here in the Carolinas. All right, she's alive. 40,570 on the mileage. AC's already blowing cold. And I guess we're just gonna kind of leave the top up and drive it down the road, and then we're gonna take the top down. So you can kind of hear the difference between the top up and the top down. And this would be a good way for you to realize if it's somewhat quiet in here, even with the top up. I mean, all convertibles with soft tops are usually going to be a little bit more, you're going to hear a little more noise from the outside. And I think that's one reason why they came out with hardtop convertibles. Or, well, hardtop convertibles have been around for a while, but I'm saying like a BMW 335 maybe, I'm not sure. Whatever BMW they offer, a 2-door convertible with the retractable hardtop. Well, first off, it looks nice, it looks good, and it's nice to have a hardtop and a convertible. But I think it also makes it quieter. So anyways, let's go ahead and put her in drive. Everything feels good. Let's see what she drives like. So in reality, we're gonna actually be listing the vehicle online for $24,000. maybe give or take a few $100s here or there. But $24,000. From what I was told by the owner of the store, Mr. Chris, he says it's actually a really good price on this car. He said that he has sold Prowlers before at Southern Motor Company, a few of them, and he said typically they sell between $30,000 and $35,000. Now, it is a little bit bumpier ride. I don't know if you can notice that or not going over those railroad tracks. I mean, it doesn't ride like a Lincoln Town Car or a Cadillac. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a small, lightweight roadster vehicle. All right, let's give it a little gas here and see what we got. Sounds good. And yeah, it's getting people's attention while they're sitting out there at the barber shop just now, so that's a good sign. We're gonna pull into the mixing place over here, because we're gonna pull in here and we're actually gonna drop the top down on it. And again, today is my first day ever driving a Prowler in my entire life. So I am really thankful to be able to have this opportunity today to film this and drive it. Pretty cool. Man, they got, I know you can't see it, but they look like they're gonna have a really good little restaurant right over here. We'll have to come check out one day and have some lunch. Anyways, trying to kind of cut through this little town here called Mixon and see what we got going on. It's definitely one of those cars that looks like a Prowler, you know? It's kind of prowling down on you. Oh, here we go. We got some parking spots right here to do this. I do want to be careful with curbs and stuff like that, because the car does sit really low to the ground. All right, so if you want to drop the top on your Prowler, you're going to do this, okay? Just like most convertibles, you're going to press this little button right here to do that, and then that comes undone. Do the same over here. That's undone. Then there's, well, let's see. I think, there you go. You pull this over here, and that kind of unlatches that. Open our door. Again, it doesn't open up very much, but we're going to get out. Definitely put your head down, because you don't want to hit this metal bar that's sitting right here. That would really hurt. And then you're going to do this, okay? Then you're going to open that. There's a button right under here that you're going to press to do that. I mean, this is all pretty quick, right? And then we're going to do this. And now the convertible top just sits right in there. You got speakers right here. So there you go. Important to avoid damage to the deck lid. Ensure that deck lid is fully latched before driving the vehicle, of course. That's probably a really important thing though. You're gonna push down. Well, hang on. Yep, so that's locked in place. Now we're gonna kind of look at it. What a beautiful car. I mean, it's not a very big vehicle. I mean, look at your parking spot here. You got that line there, that one way over there for a most average vehicle. This thing's, boom, it's right in there. But what a cool little car, the Prowler. Haha, I like it, man. That's neat, isn't it? Yeah, it really is neat. Definitely has a really cool look about it, doesn't it? It sure does. All right, so let's go ahead and drive the little Prowler and see how she performs and sounds with the top off or top down. All right, there's that. Let's roll these windows down. There we go. Yeah, what do y'all think, everybody? All right. All right, here we go, guys. mean, it's easy to drive. Let's see how the turning radius is on this little puppy. Right about here, just come in and whip it around. Pretty good. Now we got rocks down here, so we're gonna be careful we don't get those in the treads of the tires. Brakes feel good. You know, it's not overly loud and obnoxious. You know, the tone you get out of the exhaust is when you hit that gas and it rolls. So I like that it's not too loud. And believe it or not, it's actually kind of comfortable inside of here. Hey, look at a little smart car over there. But yeah, pretty comfy. Let's go ahead and give her a little run for the money here. Well, we got these railroad tracks. When we get past them, we'll hit the gas and roll out a little bit. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, she's got some get up. That's kind of fun. I want to do that again. Easy to churn, look at that. Man, it shifts really smooth. I mean, I like it. It's fun. Yeah, this is cool. It's a Prowler. All right, that's it for our video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Southern Motor Company's website for more unique vehicles just like this. As you can see, we got all kinds of fun stuff out here. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.